Good morning everyone, welcome to another video. Today the wind is very strong. Just now we had to run into the car, look at that wind. Oh my. Yeah, the wind here is very strong in Krka National Park. And today we're gonna drive to, where are we going to drive to?
Should we just drive along the coast into the north and then only then we go Plitvice?
No, probably don't have enough time.
Not enough time eh?
Yeah, we want to see Plitvice.
Okay, alright, yeah. Let's go Plitvice.
Yeah, okay, let's go!
Yes!
We're gonna go to Plitvice National Park, which is a huge lake. It's supposedly the nicest lake in Croatia. Yeah, can't wait! Let's go!
I've been looking for a way out, I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately I've been thinking.
I'm at the pump station and it's like a war zone here because the wind is so strong, everything is moving so loud. Oh my god, I'm freaking out! Okay, so we pumped 304 kuna of diesel and that gives us 33 liters. Yeah, not bad. The prices for diesel here is not that expensive. But bloody hell, the wind. Oh my god. So now we're on the highway. And the highway is quite dangerous because of the wind. My car is going left, right, left, right, left, right against my wheel, right? So just be careful and drive within the speed limit. Sometimes you will see they will change the speed limit on the signboard to indicate that the wind is too strong and you have to stick to a new limit. The wind sometimes can reach 140 and today I think it's about 70 or something, and that is still already very challenging for me. Imagine if it's 140. What happened to the highway? What happened? Why is the highway closed?
The highway is good and healthy, but there is a strong wind on the highway.
Oh, there's a strong wind. Ah, okay, okay.
That's the reason why the station is closed.
Ah, okay.
Alright.
There are signs for the tour, orange labels. It says Villa side.
Okay.
Oh, okay, okay. Alright, thank you so much.
Voila.
Voila. Right, so apparently the highway is closed because the wind is too strong, which is why the highway is closed. It's not because the highway is broken or what. So yeah, very responsible governance by the Croatian highway system. Otherwise, I'm sure there will be a lot of accidents because the wind is pretty strong today. This is the wind. Oh my god, guys, how was it? How was the wind?
Scary.
Oh my god, so scary! What is shaking?
The car is
It's
moving.
really
The
crazy.
car.
I tried to cross the road, but I was blown.
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
blown. I didn't want to take a risk.
Yeah, I would not cross the road right now.
It's a nice scenery, but I don't want to risk.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I honestly feel I could be blown away, honestly.
No, really, I was blown away a little bit when I was running.
Yeah. And now you see the car is shaking. Okay, time to go, guys, time to go. This place is so beautiful, the coastline is so beautiful. We think this is a good place for you to visit because there's hardly any tourists here, but the views is amazing, it's so beautiful. This place is called Selin. So the next time you're in Croatia, I highly recommend that you stay overnight in Selin because the views amazing. You have the mountains behind you and then you have the coast and the sea. And the sea is beautiful, it's turquoise blue, the water looks clean, beautiful. Yeah, highly recommended.
I've been looking for a way out, I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no.
Oh guys, just now driving around the coast and up into the mountains now. Now we're in the snowy mountains again. So beautiful. What a brilliant drive. I really love driving in Croatia. It's such a good experience. And now we're in a restaurant next to the road because we are quite hungry. And we are still so far away from the lake. Not sure whether we can even make it today, to be honest. And good appetite.
Oh,
thank you.
Bella.
So yeah, I guess time to eat first. Oh my god, imagine if I included that in the video that you're recording now.
Oh my god.
The Malaysian viewer, what the hell are you guys talking about? And we finally arrived. We were supposed to arrive here since like 2 PM or something, but now it's 4 plus.
It's almost sunset.
It's almost sunset. Yeah. And it's all because of the closed highway. So guys, just be aware that the winds may affect your journey time. So just keep that in mind because you wouldn't want to miss a certain important thing. Like for example, if you're trying to catch a flight from Zagreb, if the highway is closed and you're still down south, it could be a problem for you. So yeah, that's something to keep in mind. But one thing positive from this experience is that we had to drive through the coastal towns, and that proved to be really rewarding because it's so beautiful. All the canyons, the coastline, the beaches, so beautiful. And also once we cross over the mountain, you have that huge contrast from the coastline, which is very dry. Some of the islands look like Komodo Islands actually. If you missed my Komodo episode, remember to click here. And once you cross over that mountain, you're now into snow and aspen kind of look again. Beautiful. I think Croatia, one of the best countries to drive around. One of the best. We're quite late already. Hopefully we can still see the lake before the sun sets completely. But one thing that's strange is there's nobody here. Oh wow. Like, it seems so deserted. Hopefully we're in the right area. So yep, this is Plitvice or Plitvice Jazera, and the water is very clean. Look at that. And that's the famous waterfall over there. Look at the sides there. Some of the parts seems to be frozen, so that's what you get in winter. Yeah, not bad. But definitely would have been nicer in summer, and definitely would have been nicer if the sun is up. We're a bit late. There's actually another spot that we can see. Is it the waterfall up close? Yeah, but unfortunately I think for us to walk there it would have been very dark by the time we get there, and there's no one here, so it can be a bit risky. Not sure, maybe we'll do it. Right guys, so we're in entrance number 2, and this is the spot where you get quite minimal views, I would say. I think the best view would be from the big waterfall here, which is entrance 1. Probably, I don't know.
There now.
Yeah, let us know in the comments down below if you know where is the best entrance, so that other people that is trying out this drive to Plitvice Jazera is gonna have a better luck than us.
1 hour later.
Guys, this place is amazing. We're gonna stay here. This is an Airbnb near Plitvice, that lake just now. And apparently we're the first guests over here, so the price is quite cheap. And the place is so huge. For how much is this? The host gave us this as well. It seems like it's a Croatian tradition to welcome guests with a plate of sweets like this one. So let's try one. Oh good. Okay, off to day 2. Whoa guys, look at that, it's snowing! And the snow is blowing from side to side. Okay, you can see Bari's reflection there. And look at that, and that's our car right there. Have to deal with the snow issue tomorrow. That's life guys. When it's snowing, you have to clean the car. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Oh, and he's coming towards us. Snow.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Apa?
Voila.
Bala. Yes.
Jel bilo dobro?
Mana? Dobro. Yeah. Bye bye. Voila.
So yeah guys, we're back in Zagreb. The drive was really nice just now. The roads was a bit icy and snowy though, so it's a bit dangerous. But everyone kept to their speed limit. So Croatian drivers are very good when it comes to obeying the laws. So yeah, that's nice. And our Airbnb was really nice. The host was really nice to us, gave us food, saying goodbye to us, making sure that she said a really nice warm goodbye. That was quite interesting. So yeah, we felt really happy to be in Croatia. People are very nice. And now it's time to return the car. So yeah. So everything was okay, there's no damages as they confirmed. So yeah, we are all done. And it's now time to head to Hungary. Maybe we'll explore Zagreb a little bit because our bus is at 4 PM and it's right now 11 something AM. So yeah, let's explore Zagreb again. And that right there guys is the best ice skating ring I've ever seen, because you can really skate around the whole park and it's not just one circle loop in the middle. Oh, very cool. Cute.
Thank you.
Bahri's gonna try the free-to-lay. Is that free-to-lay?
Free-to-lay.
Free-to-lay. Okay.
Really good. Really crispy.
Yeah.
And warm. It's perfect comfort food for this kind of weather.
Oh yeah, let me try one as well.
Stand in the sun.
Guys, it's so good, we decided to buy another one.
And we're gonna eat white chocolate.
That dessert just now was so amazing, and now we find ourselves back in the main city center, exploring around and maybe trying to find lunch because we're hungry. Are you ready for lunch?
Yeah, sort of.
Yep. Lunchtime. There's one restaurant here that was closed when we tried to go there the first time we're here. So now, since it's already 12 o'clock, it might be open now. So let's go. Yeah, and this is that restaurant which was closed when we tried to go there the last time we're here.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
And guys, we got a table. The interior design is so amazing, so beautiful, so colorful. Look at that.
It's all
Guys, check that out. That's what is that?
black risotto.
Black risotto with squid, I think. That's sea bass. That's octopus salad, and then some bread. Gotta eat them all! Well, that was really good. I'm glad we waited for the 2 PM reservation. Definitely one of the best restaurants in Zagreb, I think. And also the reviews will agree as well. It's 4.6 out of 5 on Google reviews. Yeah guys, highly recommended. And with that said, I guess it's time to end the video because it has been pretty long. It's a 2-day long kind of vlog. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose life, explore the world, and don't forget it.